Welcome to your first homework. This also means that we are concluding part workbench. So next time we will be learning something about Sketcher. But before we move on, let's just see if you have got the knowledge that we were trying to acquire during the course of this video series. Now I have created this part entirely using all of the components that you can see in the part workbench. So in other words, this thing or this component of the part is made out of your normal cube. Similarly, this would be a cube and so on. So what I would like you to create is this component that you can see on the screen right now. And I'll put all the different views for you so that you can work with these components. Now, if you would like to get this drawing, just send me an email or write a comment and I will be able to give you this drawing or email you this drawing. It's very easy that way. So this is the isometric view. On the right hand top side, you can see the isometric view. This is the front view. In the front view, you can see that this is a square plate, 100 millimeters, and then all the required dimensions for you to come up with this component or this part or this solid is given in this drawing. If you are feeling stuck somewhere, you can definitely write me an email, or you can just write a comment in the video and I'll do my best to answer those comments. So this concludes the use of part workbench for this video series.